Hello and welcome to the review of Hisense E7KQ Pro TV from the 2023 lineup. This is a mainstream TV positioned above E7KQ and A7KQ models in the Hisense QLED 4K segment, bringing plenty of interesting features such as a 144Hz panel, audio system with a built-in subwoofer, Dolby Vision IQ, AMD FreeSync Premium, and the latest version of VIDAA operating system. Currently going for around €600 for the 55-inch screen size. Let's see how it performs in reality. E7KQ Pro series features a dark grey design with a thin bezel surrounding the screen and two plastic feet for the tabletop installation. Though at first glance at the bottom bezel you might think this TV has front-firing speakers, that's not the case. This is just a design detail to make the bezel more interesting and to show that it belongs to the Pro series. Looking at its backside, the TV might seem thick by today's standards, but the reason for this is direct LED backlight and low-frequency speaker at its center. As mentioned, you can assemble two plastic feet and place the TV on the table, or forget about the feet and mount it on the wall. Coming to the physical connectors, the TV offers the following: 4 HDMIs, 2 USBs, antenna and satellite inputs, Ethernet, AV in, digital audio out, 3.5mm audio out, service port, and a 2-pin AC input. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The TV comes with a plastic remote control that stands out in the crowd by the highest number of app buttons I've seen to this day. It has 11 dedicated app buttons plus one custom which you can assign to the app or input you want. In addition, it has standard numerical buttons plus color buttons frequently used for teletext. In order to use VIDAA voice assistant, there is a built-in microphone for which you need to pair the remote with the TV using a Bluetooth connection. I also like the fact that the small design detail on the back side of the remote is matched with the design of the TV's bezel. E7KQ Pro features a VIDAA U7 operating system with a fast full-screen interface and a handy quick menu that allows you to quickly enable audio-only mode, adjust HDMI signal format, or open the game menu. The platform was working stable during the test, with all the streaming apps playing the content smoothly. If you want to learn more and see it in action, check the video in the description. Regarding picture quality, E7KQ Pro offers decent performance in some areas, while in others performs below my expectations for this price category. Let's start with the good things. In the most accurate picture modes, SDR and HDR content looked good, with no obvious flaws in terms of gradations, upscaling of low resolutions, and sharpness. Dolby Vision looked really good in terms of details in highlights and dynamic range concerning the limited peak luminance and lack of local dimming. Global dimming, or variations of screen luminance depending on the content, is not present if related picture controls are turned off. Game mode can be activated within every picture mode, so you can have color accuracy of, for example, filmmaker mode combined with low input lag that game mode offers. Now for the not so good aspects. The most accurate picture modes aren't as accurate in terms of white balance and gamma as they are with other TVs in this price category. Many picture controls don't work well, so it is not easy to calibrate white balance and colors accurately. I've noticed that while testing Hisense U7QF 3 years ago, and it is a pity that the issues are still occurring. Motion resolution is the weak spot of this TV. Even though it has a native 144Hz panel, pixel response is slow and you need to play around with picture controls to get higher motion resolution, and for some reason that applies only for HDMI inputs. The unit I received had a quite visible dirty screen effect with variations in brightness that were visible while I was watching various content or playing games. I could not find a way to get full color resolution for PC usage. Related to viewing angles, they are typical for the VA LCD screen this TV is using. It is best to sit directly in front of the screen for the highest contrast and deepest colors.
I need time.
Sound quality is above average thanks to the built-in rear-facing woofer that handles nicely low frequencies and makes movie soundtracks, music and games fuller than with standard down-firing speakers. On the other hand, even though Dolby Atmos and DTS-X are supported, don't expect to hear surround effects with built-in speakers. For that you need an external audio system, ideally an AV receiver with at least 5.1 speaker setup. As for EARC test, I was able to get DTS-X, IMAX DTS-X and DTS HD Master Audio along with Dolby Digital Plus and Dolby Atmos, but not Dolby True HD while having the TV connected to the Denon AV receiver and LG SC9S soundbar. Let's wrap up this review. Hisense E7KQ Pro is a good TV overall that will appeal to gamers who want to have a big 144Hz screen and decent sound, but who are not so worried about color accuracy or motion blur. The TV will also perform well for movies and TV shows, though you can get almost the same performance for a lower price by getting the standard E7KQ model. If you prefer Android/Google TV interface and you want more apps, then consider alternatives such as last year's TCL C735 or even cheaper C635 if gaming is not of importance to you. You can also take a look at Samsung's entry QLED models Q60B or this year's Q60C. I would like to thank Hisense representative office in Croatia for lending me this TV for testing, LG representative office in Croatia for lending me SC9S soundbar, and retailer Ronis for providing the Denon AV receiver. If you want to see more videos about this TV, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I wish you a great day.